Welcome back to HOWTECH, where we make technology simple and less scary, one video at a time. Today we're talking about something that sounds pretty serious: computer viruses. You've probably heard people say things like, "My computer caught a virus," or, "Don't click that link, it might have a virus." But what exactly is a computer virus? And how can you protect yourself? Let's start with the basics. A computer virus is a kind of bad software, also called malware, short for malicious software. Just like a virus in your body can make you sick, a virus in your computer can make it slow, act weird, or even stop working. Now, not all viruses are the same. There are actually a few different types, and understanding them makes it easier to spot and stop them. Number 1. Traditional viruses. This is where the term came from. These programs attach themselves to real files, like a photo or document. When you open the file, the virus spreads. It might delete personal or system files, mess up programs, or try to spread to other computers. Number 2. Worms. Worms are sneaky. They don't need you to click anything. Once they get into a system, they spread themselves across networks, kind of like a chain reaction. They can slow everything down and use up a lot of internet and computer resources. Number 3. Trojans. Named after the Trojan horse from Greek mythology. These look like real, helpful programs, maybe a free game or a document viewer. But once you install it, it opens a door for hackers to sneak into your system. It might steal your information or even let someone control your computer remotely. Number 4. Ransomware. This is one of the scariest kinds. It locks your computer or files and demands money to unlock them. It's like a digital hostage situation. Even if you pay, there's no guarantee you'll get your files back, so prevention is key here. Number 5. Spyware. Spyware hides quietly in the background. You won't even know it's there. It watches what you do, collects your passwords or banking details, and sends them to someone else. Number 6. Adware. Not as dangerous, but still annoying. It floods your screen with pop-up ads, slows down your computer, and can make browsing the internet a nightmare. So now that you know the types, how do you protect yourself? First, be careful with email and links. Never click on something if you're not sure who sent it. Even if it looks like it came from a friend, double check. Hackers often pretend to be someone you trust. Second, keep your computer and apps updated. Those updates aren't just cosmetic, they fix holes that viruses use to sneak in. Yes, they take a few minutes, but they help keep your system safe. Third, use antivirus software. This is your computer's bodyguard. It scans for anything suspicious and blocks it before damage is done. There are paid versions like Norton, McAfee, and Bitdefender, and free ones like Avast or Windows Defender, which is built into Windows 10 and 11. Please do not run more than one at a time on your system. Fourth, back up your important files. That way, if something ever does go wrong, you don't lose your precious photos, documents, or personal information. You can back things up to an external hard drive or to cloud storage like Google Drive or OneDrive. And finally, trust your gut. If a website looks strange or too good to be true, close it. If something pops up saying, "You have a virus, click here to fix it," don't click it. Those warnings are often fake and lead to even more trouble. To wrap it up, a computer virus is a harmful program, but not all viruses act the same. You've got the old school viruses, worms that spread fast, Trojans pretending to be helpful, ransomware that locks your files, spyware that watches you, and adware that drives you nuts. But the good news is, with a few smart habits, you can avoid most of them. Be careful what you click, keep your system updated, use antivirus protection, keep it up to date and switched on, run regular sweeps or scans, and back up your files regularly. Thanks for watching HOWTECH. If this video helped clear things up, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's nervous about using their computer. You don't have to be a tech expert, you just need the right guide. And that's what we're here for. See you next time.